Yo, what's up, peeps? My name's Damon Warren, and on this channel, I share my tech tips with you, and I go on adventures. Today's question came from Evan Way, and he was asking, how on the Mavic Air 2 does it auto-save the missions, and where are they located? Alright, so here we go. Going to hyperlapse. And then you want to select waypoint, and so as you can see, top left hand corner there's a little pad. Now I don't have any previous task in here, so now I'm going to make that first start point. And we are now going to our second point. Okay, we'll call that point number 2. Then we'll raise up a little bit. Okay. And that is number 3. Okay. Now once those points are set, you hit the 3 dots on the right. I can select which way I want the sequence to go, what my integral is going to be, and how long I want it to take. So we will do yeah, we'll do that. We'll just leave it at 2s for now, okay, and do a normal sequence. So what it's going to do is it's going to come back to where I started at and then go in the order. Now I can also hit reverse and it'll start where it's at, which is position number 3, then go 2, then go 1. So it's kind of like a way to save energy or save battery. So I'm going to start at 3 and then go backwards to 1. So now that I have everything set, I'm just going to hit the record button.
The aircraft is heading to the first waypoint.
And now it's going through the program.
Video synthesis completed.
Okay, so now I am done shooting that, and if you click in the top left hand corner, you will see the saved program, and you can click on the pencil and you can change the name of it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment. Please share this video, like and subscribe if you're not already. I really do appreciate it. And remember, take care of each other, peace out, and I will see you all soon.